Imagine waking up after a full night's sleep, feeling rested and ready for the day, only to find by mid-morning that your brain feels like it's wrapped in fog. Your body is sluggish, your focus is gone, and no amount of coffee seems to help. If this sounds familiar, you might be blaming stress, your busy schedule, or even aging. But what if the real culprit isn't your habits at all? What if the exhaustion you feel is caused by environmental toxins you're exposed to every day? Specifically heavy metals that slowly build up in your body and drain energy at the cellular level. In this video, we'll break down the 5 heavy metals most likely to be causing your fatigue, explain how they interfere with your body's energy production, and share practical strategies to help you regain focus and vitality naturally. By the end, you'll understand why fatigue might not be your fault, and what you can do to support your body's energy production. Feeling tired is normal, but chronic fatigue that doesn't improve with sleep, exercise, or diet is a red flag. Heavy metals like mercury, arsenic, and lead interfere directly with how your body generates energy. These metals can damage mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside every cell, disrupt hormone balance, including thyroid and adrenal hormones, increase oxidative stress, which damages healthy cells. Think of it like a car engine with tiny clogs in the fuel lines. Even if you fill the tank with premium fuel and oil it regularly, the engine won't run efficiently. If you've tried lifestyle improvements but still feel drained, hidden environmental toxins may be silently affecting your energy. Heavy metals accumulate slowly in the body, so symptoms are often subtle and overlooked. Some of the most common signs of chronic exposure include constant exhaustion or chronic tiredness, brain fog and poor concentration, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, headaches or muscle weakness, struggling to lose weight despite diet and exercise. Have you noticed any of these symptoms? Keep a mental note. Understanding your body's signals is the first step toward regaining energy. The tricky part is that heavy metal symptoms can mimic everyday issues. That's why people often dismiss fatigue as stress, poor sleep, or simply getting older. But in reality, these toxins can be silently sapping your energy at the cellular level. Let's take a closer look at how these metals affect your body. 1. Mitochondrial damage. Mitochondria are like microscopic batteries inside every cell. They produce ATP, the energy currency your body runs on. Mercury and arsenic can interfere with mitochondrial function, meaning your cells can't produce energy efficiently. Even simple tasks like walking upstairs or focusing at your desk may feel exhausting. 2. Hormonal disruption. Heavy metals also disrupt hormones. Your adrenal glands regulate stress hormones, while the thyroid controls metabolism. When these systems are impaired, fatigue skyrockets. High stress hormones may flood your body during the day, leaving you feeling drained even after resting. 3. Oxidative stress. Finally, heavy metals increase free radicals, unstable molecules that damage healthy cells. Think of them as sparks flying inside your engine. Too many sparks cause the machinery to break down over time. Foods high in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, can help neutralize some of these free radicals. But minimizing exposure is key to long-term energy restoration. Now, let's dive into the top 5 heavy metals most likely causing fatigue, where you encounter them, and how they impact your body. 1. Arsenic. Found in drinking water, rice, chicken, air, and soil. Cellular impact. Damages mitochondria, reduces energy at the cellular level. Common symptoms: muscle weakness, confusion, headaches, brain fog, constant tiredness. Tip: limit rice intake from regions known for higher arsenic levels. Filter your drinking water when possible. 2. Mercury. Found in seafood, tuna, swordfish, dental fillings, some vegetables like eggplant and tomatoes. Cellular impact: disrupts mitochondria, impairs thyroid function, damages nervous system. Symptoms: fatigue, poor concentration, muscle weakness, memory issues. Tip: opt for low-mercury seafood like salmon or sardines, especially if pregnant or breastfeeding. 3. Lead. Found in older homes, pipes, paint, ceramics, cosmetics, some foods. Cellular impact: increases free radicals, can induce anemia. Symptoms: brain fog, confusion, neurological issues, joint pain, gastrointestinal problems. Tip: if your home is older, have lead levels checked, wash hands and food surfaces regularly. 4. Aluminum. Found in cookware, foil, Personal care products, cans. Cellular impact, accumulates in the body, contributes to fatigue, sleep disruption, neurological effects. Symptoms: exhaustion, weakened immune system, sleep issues. Tip: minimize aluminum exposure by using glass, stainless steel, or ceramic cookware when possible. 5. Cadmium, found in tobacco smoke, batteries, paint pigments, chocolate. Cellular impact, increases oxidative stress, displaces zinc, weakens immune system. Symptoms: fatigue, rapid heartbeat, nausea, kidney and liver stress, weakened bones. Tip: avoid smoking and limit high cadmium foods where possible. We can't avoid all toxins. They're everywhere. But we can reduce exposure with smart, practical strategies. Install a water filter that removes heavy metals. Eat organic or minimally processed foods. Check your home for lead paint or treated wood. Use clean, plant-based personal care and household products. Avoid high-mercury seafood like tuna, swordfish, and king mackerel. Even small adjustments like these support your mitochondria and overall energy. Sometimes, it's not enough to just reduce exposure. We also need to support the body in removing toxins. One option is natural zeolite detoxifiers, which act like tiny magnets for heavy metals, helping the body eliminate them safely. Supports mitochondrial energy production. Helps reduce brain fog and fatigue. Can be integrated into a daily wellness routine. If you want to support your body's detox naturally, check out Touchstone Essentials here. Alongside detoxification, hydration, fiber, and antioxidant-rich foods amplify the benefits, helping your body restore energy more effectively. Fatigue doesn't have to be permanent. By understanding how heavy metals affect your energy and taking practical steps to reduce exposure and support detox, you can regain mental clarity, boost focus and productivity, feel more energetic throughout the day. Have you ever felt unexplained fatigue that lifestyle changes couldn't fix? Comment below. Your story might help someone else realize what's happening in their body. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more biohacking and wellness tips, and share it with someone who's constantly tired no matter how well they eat or sleep.